let's see. For what value of a is the line y equals 5x tangent to the curve y equals e to the ax at some point in the xy plane? So here's the deal. Here's our curve, y equals e to the ax. We want to know where this is tangent to this line, which means where does it have the same slope? So the slope of a curve, we all know, is the derivative. So the derivative of y is here, y prime. We all love taking the derivative of e to the x. And we have this extra guy here. So when you take the derivative, you end up with an extra a right here. So here's y prime. We need to know where this has the same slope as this. This obviously has a slope of 5. So if we can just take this y prime, set it equal to 5, which I've done here, then we can solve for the x value at which this thing will have a slope of 5. So I did all the algebra here. So, you know, divide a both sides, bang, bang, natural log both sides, bring this guy down up front because logs do that. Natural log of e is 1. Bada boom, bada bing. We want to get x by itself, so we divide both sides by a. Here we go. X equals, this is the x value where this curve has a derivative of 5. So, why? Like, what do we do with that? Okay, well, I'm going to take this x value and plug it into this curve, y equals e to the ax. If I plug in this x value, I will get the y value where that occurs, right? So I plug this x value into this function here. Boom, I simplify it. It comes out very pretty. The y value of our original curve at that x value where it has the same slope as this is 5 over a. That's the y value at this x value. I do that again for this, our straight line. Why, you might be asking yourself? Because if it's going to be tangent, that means it has to be equal just at that one place. We have a curve and then a straight line, and it has to touch, just barely touch at that one spot, has to have the same x and y value. We know they're going to have this same x value, but we need the y values to be equal. So I found the y value of this curve will be this here, 5 over a. And if I plug in this gnarly beast into y equals 5x for the x value, I simplify this, and well, it's not very simplified, but there you have it. This is the y value of the line. Now, if I set those two things equal to each other, if I set this equal to this, then we solve for a. A is equal to 5 over e. Beautiful. I even tried to graph it here in Desmos. Instead of e to the ax, it's e to the 5 over ex, and then y equals 5x, and then you can see the curve and this line here, and the x value where that thing is tangent is e over 5, actually. But that's neither here nor there. The answer to the problem, a is equal to 5 over e. There it is. Have a nice day.